Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making our own mini Zen gardens.
This, I think, is our most relaxing, easiest they can make to date.
There's not a lot to do to put it together, but the cool thing about it is you can keep changing it as you're using it. You can keep playing around with it and making it different.
So we will be making a Zen garden, and let's get our stuff out of our bags.
Okay, ready? Okay.
All right. So we've got our rake, we've got our sand in this container there, we've got some decorative items to go along with our Zen garden, and we've got some washi tape. Anything else we'll need?
You won't need anything else, but if you want to add anything else to your garden, you can feel free to go ahead. We have a few rocks and things in here, like Mike said, but you probably have stuff at home, or you can probably find stuff to add to it. So you can use what's in your kit, or you can change yours and make it different.
So before you open this container full of sand, it's easier to decorate the tray with the washi tape when the lid is shut so that the sand doesn't come out of it. Okay? All right.
We're going to use the washi tape to just decorate our container. You can use anything you want. You can probably paint these if you want to, if you've got different stickers you want to put on there. Whatever you want to try.
Really? All right, I'm stressed out from that decorating. What do we do next? It's done. Open it up.
We're mostly done. So you can open up your container now. All the sand should be in there. And then you get to decide just how to arrange everything in your Zen garden. We've just got our little plant and a couple stones here, but like I said, add anything that you want, that you find.
And, you know, Zen gardens are supposed to be walled off and really enjoyed from one perspective, usually one seated perspective. Sit in one spot, and then that perspective, viewpoint is supposed to. It's not something you walk around. So this is perfect. We got high walls of our container.
Who knew after all these years and all these videos, you were just waiting to pull out your expert knowledge in Zen gardens?
Oh, I know. Well, I've been waiting for this moment, yes. Go back to the 700s. Late 700s, they first appeared.
So just find a spot for everything and then use your rake, definitely not your fork, to make different patterns, designs in the sand.
The rocks represent mountains. Sometimes both. It's very relaxing. How's yours coming along?
Mine's looking good, I think.
I think
It's all arranged. Let's see. Let's start using them. Let's see if it works, if it's nice and relaxing.
Am I using it? Oh, okay. Let me just finish this pad.
I feel like it's working.
I
I feel very relaxed.